Some of the typical things we see is requests wait for triage, you wait for approval, but sometimes a lot of the requests are very mundane and they could be approved right away, or they could be canceled right away as well. Sometimes ownership is unclear across shifts or team. Is this a millwright? Do we need the electricians to go first? And last but not least, missed notification creates avoidable delays. The solution here is really to automate what we can automate. So this stat here is a little disastrous. About 45% of maintenance professional time would be spent retrieving work orders or documents. I think most of TAG clients would be for sure doing better than this 45%, but we can push this to get better. The outcome of having those notifications is to reduce the time to assign, the time to acknowledge, so to get quicker approval on requests. And ultimately, the outcome of that is to get increased range time, increased productivity, and then this will translate in your KPIs, reduce MTTR, and improve your backlog aging. So the idea here is really to cut the time. If you're only reviewing your requests once a day when you log in and you look at your dashboard, this is really changing the paradigm. You would have a notification, in one click, you can convert this into a work order. A client that operates a fleet told me, hey, every time we have a check engine request, this should be automatically approved and converted into a work order. So we could essentially add a prompt to our AI node to, given those filters or condition, go straight to work order. So essentially saving you the mental load of approving the request that would be approved whatsoever, converting it into a work order, and assigning it to someone.